Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now, as the industry keeps changing, I wanted to post this video to update you guys on how we can use NFTs within Unity, because things get easier, they get better, and of course we just need to make sure we stay on top of it. So in this video, I just wanted to show you guys a toolkit that I've created for you. It's an NFT toolkit that uses the Infura API as the backbone for it, and we wrap it and then we can call it from within Unity. It's really simple to use, it's open source. I'll make sure to link this within the description so you guys have access to it. And it comes with everything you need, the introduction, the installation, and even how to call these functions. So primarily it's going to focus on one very big call. It's going to fetch all the NFTs per wallet, which I know a lot of folks prefer over querying individual tokens. It's a lot quicker to actually fetch all the NFTs and then aggregate that and search for things in between that, which is exactly what this does. So we only have to call this one single line of code to fetch all the NFTs on a specific chain ID for a specific wallet. It will return a dictionary of all the contracts and tokens, and we can then actually aggregate and search for a matching token. So in the format of contract address, token ID. And if it matches, the token matches, and you can then unlock a character or unlock a level, normal token getting stuff. But we can also actually get the metadata for a token. So let's say we've got the token name, we've got a collection, we have a bunch of cats. We have a collection of cats in our game, and one of the token names might be cute cat 1. So what we can do is we can call this single line of code and just replace the token name with cute cat 1 as a string, and it's going to return the description, the image, and whatever sort of attributes you would want to associate with that as well. And then of course you can just take that one step further by using the token image as a URL for another web request. Similar to how we did in old videos, we can fetch the image from IPFS and we can use it in Unity. But let's have a quick look, right? Let's say we've downloaded this. If I go to the releases here, if I go to releases, I'll just walk you guys through how to actually install this. So we can download the toolkit through the Unity package here. We can open our blank empty Unity project. I'm just going to go downloads. We're going to drag that in here, and it's important to just make sure you import everything, which is basically a few scripts, a .NET client, and then TextMesh Pro. Everything you need for the demo scene. I'll give that a moment. Perfect. And now this is quite small, I apologize, but there's a folder here called NFT Toolkit, and you can open it, and there's obviously a README with instructions, but you'll see that there's scripts, there's examples, and a demo scene. Effectively, all you need to do is, let's say we open up this demo scene here. I wonder if I can import TMP, there we go. It just mentions that we have to enter our Infura API key, so all you have to do is go to Infura. So if I go in here, and I do Infura NFT API, I'll make sure to link this in the description as well. You pretty much just sign up and you get an API key. Once you have an API key, you can use that in the SDK or the toolkit, and it will route all your calls through that. It's completely free to use. It takes no effort to sign up, and they allow you to do a lot of calls. So I would recommend this as a form of NFT querying. So we can go ahead, we can close that. We can go back to Unity. And it just mentions that in the event system, which is where I've attached the NFT toolkit script, we just have to add our API key. And once you've added your API key, you can play the scene, and it's going to fetch all the NFTs and all the metadata for it as well. So in here as well are examples. There's an example for fetching all the NFTs, and there's an example for fetching the NFT metadata. So you can actually see if I open this. Let's just make this nice and big, so you can see it just again shows the supported chains at the moment, how to fetch the NFTs. You don't even have to do this, you could just inline all of that in here if you wanted to, and then how to token gate NFTs, and of course the same thing for importing NFTs. Again, checking the wallet for NFTs and then getting the metadata for it. That's the name, and this is what we want to return. The actual library file for it is in here as well. So if we go to scripts, library, we go to the toolkit itself, everything is here. If you want to edit the web request for it, the coroutine, you're more than welcome to do it. It's completely open source, so change this however you feel you need to change it. I hope this helps. If there's any questions, just ping me in Discord or leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.